Discover this beautiful villa, located in one of the most exclusive and secure residential complexes in Medellín, Colombia. Just 45 minutes from the city, this spectacular property is located in the middle of a nature reserve and close to La Fe Dam, and extends over a plot of 7,023 square meters, with a construction of 634 square meters. The main house offers an open kitchen and a living room with a gas fireplace. It has 3 cozy bedrooms. The master suite has a walk-in closet and a private jacuzzi, and 2 additional bedrooms with traditional closets. You also have at your disposal a room with a full gym and a study area ideal for staying active and focused. In addition, the property includes a service room with a bathroom. The villa also has an independent cabin with a bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, and jacuzzi, ideal to receive your guests. The property benefits from crystal clear water coming from the mountain, comparable to that of a spring. This home is the perfect place for those who value tranquility, nature, and hiking.